Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about exporting a map image. Export map image button is on the right-hand side. It's the one that looks like a camera. You can export as a PNG, a PDF, or a JPEG. You can export a screenshot, which is going to be exactly what's on the screen. So if you have tools and things open, that's going to be part of it. Map, which will show no menus. Legend will only work if you're using grouping tool or the boundary tool, and then it will offer you the legend option. Same with map and legend. So when I do this, it gives me the option of using either the boundary tool because I've got that turned on my map, or the grouping tool. Location list will download an image of the location list itself. And you can do currently visible on the map or all filtered locations. You can export it normal size, which is going to be the same size as your browser window or image size. Large gives you the ability to use for poster size or display. This does have to process, so be patient. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.